Hello once again. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix the 100% CPU usage. Make sure to hit subscribe and like. Let's dive in. Okay, first thing, you need to go to Device Manager by searching it in the search bar. Then go to System Devices right here. Then search for High Precision Event right here. Then click Disable. Then make sure your Windows is updated by going to the Settings, Update, Windows Update. Make sure you're updated. Here I have an update that is waiting for restarting. Okay, now you'll need to press Windows R, then type msconfig. Then go to Boot Options, click Advanced Options, and then check Number of Processors and choose the maximum number. Click OK and Apply. Restart later. Next, hit Windows R again, then type services.msc. Then search for SysMain. Okay. Right click and press stop. Do the same for Windows search. Here. Right click and stop. Next, you'll need to disable some startup apps. Go ahead and click right click in the bottom. Go to Task Manager. Then go ahead to Startup Apps and disable whichever is necessary. And finally, go to this PC, right click and show more options, properties, advanced system settings, advanced settings, click adjust for best performance and check this option. Click apply and OK. That's it. Thank you for watching.